This is Stan's Revenge. Alright, so we've drastically reduced the... Ooh, I'm still hot here. Hang on.
Safety's rich.
Basically, just from here to here, that short amount of bifilar inductor balances it. That little tiny bit. So, traditional single coil took the entire thing in many winds. A bifilar coil takes a sliver of that in order to balance that waveform. How keen? Now, with the reduction of windings, I am only able to achieve up to about 120 volts or so. Max. There we go, it's 118. Still under an amp at the cells. I increased the ratio on this here, but you can see we have equal opposite. That right there, that line, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, just over 3 of those blocks, 1, 2, 3, just over 3. That is perfectly balanced. And our amperage I really like is down to 4.4 amps, but we're not at that 127 volt mark that we were previously. Let's see what we can do now as far as adding some of these additional winds back in a balanced configuration to see if we can up that voltage while maintaining the equal opposite polarity. For simplicity, I've removed that single inductor, so all we're working with is that bifilar wind now. Yeah, we've kind of added an additional winding for each one, both of them like in a bifilar mode. So a single coil going from the balancing inductor, bifilar wrapped with the negative coil we have hooked up here. We'll see how this works. What was I at previously in my other videos, reaching 118 volts? What was my amperage? Look at this waveform though, man. That's beautiful. That's almost on the money.